welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. Friends, today also I brought for you such a beautiful varieties. If I talk about this collections, I just want to show you an example. The thing which I am wearing, such a beautiful, pretty ready-made churidar collections. You can see here the organza printed dupatta with the pattu border. You can see here the chocolate color which I am wearing. Exclusive the long kurti and with the bottom wear, and here on the neck base you can see the exactly the designer handwork fancy work has been done. This is the pattern varieties of boutique collections, especially for the wedding youngsters, college girls. Everyone likes to priority they base not sari. I want in the sari concept churidars. So today I'm going to show you only wedding varieties, traditional event parties, churidar collections. You can easily purchase at factory price from Kesaria manufacturers. Keep watching this video. You have online options of COD. You can purchase easily, and 20 to 25,000 minimum, and approximately. And if you are in out of India, you can have a multiple purchase varieties from advanced pre-booking payments also. So have a look. So I have the samples which here. So every collections you can easily, by watching this channel, you can subscribe. There's a bell icon. You'll get all the notifications. You can easily purchase. First, I start with exclusive dark contrasted highlighted color. If I talk about this color, it's a Rani color, I can say. Such a beautiful, pretty color. This is the pattern of the handwork kota patti work. You can take a screenshot with a straight cut. There is a lining also, and there is a stretchable pant over here. This is the pant, and you got a Banarasi dupatta. Such a beautiful Banarasi dupatta. I have not opened it, which is a 2.5 meter. If I want to show you the color charts, this is the Rama green color chart, and this is the denim dim blue color chart. If I talk about the next pattern, settle color with the organza dupatta. Such a beautiful, pretty, only with the two-tone shade of the settle color. This is one of the pattern over here, the light shade, and this is the pant of stretchable with the plain color. If I want to show you, organza dupattas are very trending at the market and huge demand. See how beautiful, pretty it is. The digital contrasted floral piece. It's a the first pattern. When the digital people work on the system, they will diagram the system and they will select the fabric. According to the fabric they choose, and it comes to the market, to the counter, then the people purchase. If I talk about this color charts, the following color charts are: one is light lavender color shade and one is dark khaki color shade. This is a pretty work. In this floral printed white color, in this all the pearls with the sharp V-neck, it has been placed. Next color pattern, which is cotton based. I've showed you satin, I've showed you Jimmy Choo. Now I'm going to show you cotton based. How the saris are getting like satin, chiffon, weightless, Jimmy Choo, Vichitra. In that pattern also, churidar is also coming, which is a wedding pattern basis with the Banarasi silk concept. Yellow, everyone's favorite. The dark yellow color. See how beautiful, pretty work in this. And this is also, these are all collections you can't get directly in the market. First it gets manufactured from the manufacturers, then only it's going to the all resellers from the pan India and the worldwide. The following color charts are the dark maroon color, you can see here. This is the color, and Banarasi dupatta you can see here, and the dark purple color you can see the shade. This is one of the pattern. If I talk about the next pattern, dark mehndi green color. I like this dupatta, is very pretty. I'll just show you how it looks. I can say hurry up for this collections. Take down the screenshot and you can contact and you can place an order. This is a dupatta of organza, and the work. This is the mehndi green color, full handwork pattern, Ari work pattern. Free size. The sizes also, all sizes are available in this. And this is the pant. Okay. So this is a beautiful dupatta you can see here. In this you have a color chart. You have a color charts of the Rama green color, and one is black color. See, black, you will get the grey color combination of organza dupatta in this same two-tone shade of organza dupatta. If I talk about again settle color with thread work and sequence work, some like formal colors also even to wear on the traditional, on the wedding collections. The grey color, beautiful Jaipuri pattern you can see here. The work on the thread base, mild work with the free sizes. This is also such a beautiful pretty. And this is the bottom. And this is dupatta. Okay. In this pattern, you have a thread work based. And here, the dark maroon color and the dark pinkish color with the two-tone shade. Different colors, different designs also. Sometimes you can purchase. All these collections you can purchase set to set. Depend on fabric, depend on size, depend on where price, fabrics, variants, 3 colors, 4 colors, 5 colors, the set to set. No single piece. If I talk about the bunches of collection sizes, if I take one size, if it is a XL, there is a scan code. You can also directly do the payment by this barcode, and you can take down every scanner code. You will find out in the code of the pattern of the segment. There's a 1, 2, 3, and this is the same color. And every photocopy also you'll find out on the fabric. On everything you will purchase wholesale. No single piece, but you can take down as a retail concept. You can take down in the wholesale concept, and in the reselling, you can have a keep margin in individual product wise. So friends, either from daily wear to party wear wedding collections also, you can buy these ready-made churidar collections with exclusive many more fabrics. No quality doubt, no quantity doubt. Kesaria manufacturers will guide you, assist you how to keep the margin according to your city. The price variance will be differs actually. And worldwide, these designer collections, either it's a boutique sari or kurta or court sets, or lehengas, fancy party wear lehengas, designer bridal lehengas. All these collections are exporting to many countries, and many retailers of our clients are tied up with us and doing a business. If you are also interested from one of among them that you want to start clothing business, you want to invest, put on something, put it on the clothing business, and you can take the multiple profit within a short period. And please visit Surat City Ring Road, Millennium Textile Building 1, first floor, Kesaria manufacturers. Morning 9:30 to 8:30. From airport, we do have a half an hour services, and from the railway station, it takes 10 minutes. And the numbers are on the screen where we do have a pickup door facilities also. Many more options to know. Please follow the website pages, social media pages, and for many more information, let me know in the comment box what are all your requirements of the products. I will do those videos also. I'll share with you. You can easily do online shopping. So this video, if you really liked it, please share with your friends, relatives, with everyone. Let me know in the comment box from which city you're watching the video. Keep supporting. Next video, I'll come up with many more business information with new more collections. Till then, keep supporting. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.
केसरिया टेक्सटाइल एक लीडिंग टेक्सटाइल मैन्युफैक्चरर है जो आपको देगा सब कुछ, मेंस वेयर, वुमेन्स वेयर, किड्स वेयर में सब कुछ, जैसे साड़ी, कुर्ता, सूट, लहंगा, ब्लाउज, दुपट्टा, ड्रेस मटेरियल, बॉटम वेयर, सब कुछ।